Okay, go.
So let's have a look at this question. Sine square x equals 3 over 4. And the question told us x is between 0 to 2 pi. Now, before we start, where's the starting point? If I had a question like that, sine x is 3 over 4. That's my starting point. I have a look at this question. I know this one is not this question yet, but if I had this one, what's the difference between this question and that? Squared. Excellent. So I know what should I do first? Square root that first. Has anybody tried?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do sine x is equal to
Root 3 on 2.
what am I missing? What am I missing? Plus minus. Right?
Oh.
So from here, making sure that you don't miss your answer. If you miss the answer here, you're gonna miss the answer at the end. So from here, I'm gonna make sure I've got 2 solutions available, ready to go first. Plus minus what?
Square root 3 over 2.
3
Square root 3.
over
2.
It's 4.
4, yeah.
Where's square root 4 is 2, isn't it?
Okay. Now, I got 2 solutions now. So one solution is sine x is that. Yes? Another solution is sine x is that. So from here, it became to our previous style of question. Figure out what's the answer here, figure out what's the answer here, between 0 to 2 pi, and combine them together. That's your final answer. That's your thinking in exam. All right? So let's have a look. So A, S, T, C again. Just wait for that. All right. So you can ask yourself, sine what is root 3 on 2? Go back to your special angle business again. Sine what? Sine 60 is opposite over hypotenuse. So from here, we have confirmed is 60. 60 is pi on 3. Yeah? So we know that in the first and second quadrant, sine is positive. So pi on 3 here. That answer is very straightforward, easy. So we know that's theta. What's this angle here? Pi minus theta. So the other answer is pi minus. How do I do that?
Common denominator.
Which is 2 pi over 3. E8 fraction. Yeah? So make sure you're comfortable with that common denominator thing. So I've got 2 answers now already. I've got 1 answer, second answer, finish for this part. I don't think you finished. I haven't done this part. So in exam, make sure you cover that part. Then you go, all right, that's A, S, T, C. First of all, sine is negative.
So it's
Which quadrant I'm located?
T and C.
Yep, so it's 3rd and 4th quadrant. So I've determined my location, then I'm going to determine my size. Size is sine x is this angle here. So sine what? Sine what is opposite over hypotenuse?
60.
So it's pi on 3 again. Yeah, but so that's the reference angle. And just now we said the reference angle is related to the x-axis. So it's this one and this one. Follow? So it's this one pi on 3, this one is pi on 3. And we said any angle in the 3rd quadrant is
Pi plus.
pi plus theta. So pi plus theta,
2 pi on 2.
E8 fraction, 4 pi on 3. Yeah? Excellent. So this one is 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus theta is E8 fraction, 5 pi on 3. Finish now. Now, in exam, make sure you make your conclusion. Therefore, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 answers. So my final answer is what? Therefore, answer is pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, 4 pi on 3, 5 pi on 3. Finish.